What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chief, and today I'm breaking down 7 tips that you all may or may not know to stay fresh and clean for the ladies. Check out what this one girl had to say about guys who have good hygiene. How important is a guy's hygiene and how well he takes care of himself?
It is definitely a 10 out of 10 and definitely on the top list of everything when a woman is looking for a man. Hygiene, everybody knows. Come on, hygiene is number one. Like, what kind of question is that? I'm sorry. Don't come around here if the hygiene is not on point.
So y'all see it, guys. The ladies don't want a guy that doesn't have good hygiene and can't stay fresh and clean. Make sure you stay to the end, as the 7th tip is crucial. You're gonna need it for the rest of your life. And without this tip, none of the other tips matter. So we're gonna get straight to these tips. Let's get it. Tip number one, guys, make sure you get a haircut at least once a week, okay? Now, I know that sounds extreme. You're like, once a week? That's so expensive. Listen, guys, if you can't afford to get a haircut each and every single week, guys, purchase some clippers and learn how to cut your own hair. I just cut my own hair myself, guys. And also, I highly recommend, if you're gonna be getting a haircut once a week, I also recommend using enhancements. I'm gonna explain what the enhancements are for all you bald head scallywags. So for all you guys that ever say, man, my barber, he be pushing my hairline back, he be pushing my hairline back. Guys, use enhancements, okay? So you don't have to take it too far back. And this is, especially if you have thinning hair, you have thin spots, this is gonna help you out, where you're not gonna have to push your line back. If you have the corners or whatever, you can use it to enhance. And all this is a tint spray. Everything can be purchased at my Amazon storefront, so it can help. Even if you wanna fill up your beard, all these different things you can help to really help spray in, boom, in those lighter areas to really help spray your beard, guys. So I highly recommend that. So this is gonna allow you to stay groomed, because guys, you never know when you're gonna see that baddie at the gym, you never know when you're gonna see that baddie at the grocery store. So by always staying ready, you ain't gotta get ready. So that's why I highly recommend at least getting a haircut once a week or learning how to cut your own hair. That's tip number one. Tip number two is you guys don't use a tongue scraper. Listen, come over here, man. Guys, this is gonna be crucial. You also wanna make sure you're using the tongue scraper. All you're gonna do is apply it on your tongue, guys, and you're gonna rub it up and down and up against your tongue, guys. And that's gonna really help give it all the debris on your tongue, guys. And that's gonna help get rid of bad breath. I'm gonna be real, when a lot of you guys are pushing these shorties, you guys have bad breath.
Because they got family to go home to at the end of the day. We need to come together, we need to take this time. We in the middle of a pandemic, and we in the middle of chaos.
And that's okay, because we can work on that. Bad breath can be fixed, it's not an issue. I remember one time I was in the club and I was talking to this one girl, and she's like, oh my gosh. I'm like, what? She's like, you actually have good breath. Like, every guy in here has terrible breath. I appreciate you for having good hygiene, guys. So guys, a guy who, even if you're not that attractive, because let's be real, a lot of y'all kind of hit for real.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
So even if you're not that attractive, but you have good breath, you have good hygiene, guys, that's gonna be an easy way to get the girl's attention that you really want, guys. So I highly recommend using a tongue scraper along with brushing your teeth, okay? And that is tip number 2. Tip number three, guys, this is gonna be so super duper crucial. Wash your face and make sure you exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Someone like me who's an athlete, guys, skin routine is something that I've always struggled with, and my skin hasn't always been the best. But I use PCA products, and that's really been helping my skin routine. Because I sweat so much, I'm constantly touching weights that have germs on them and bacteria. Guys, it's easy for me to break out. So something that I've always worked on is making sure I'm managing my skin, guys. This is going to be so crucial. And also a secret gem is drinking a lot of water, guys. You have to drink water. A lot of y'all pee is just yellow. That's disgusting, okay? You want to make sure that you're washing your face and you're also hydrating and you're keeping those pores nice and clean, guys. And also a huge mistake that I used to make, guys, was not cleaning my pillows enough, guys. You want to make sure you're changing your pillowcases every 3 days. That's going to help with your skin. And also, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, because we're dropping a lot of gems. And this is only tip number 3. So imagine we get to tip number 7. I can't wait to share it. Let's keep it going. Let's get it. Tip number 4, make sure you put on decent clothes. Listen, y'all, I probably look like I'm about to go to Mexico or something. I got my beach vibes going. I'm in the gym a lot. Some of y'all, the way y'all leave the house is just crazy to me. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a designer. I'm not saying you need to waste a bunch of money, but make sure when you are stepping out, you're appropriate, you have on some nice stuff. Guys, I didn't pay that much for these clothes, guys. This is simple wear, guys, with some accessories. The easy trick that you can do if you're struggling is go to Zara. Zara will literally lay the outfit out for you from top to bottom, and it'll literally dress it for you. Or, go to Instagram and look at someone who looks like you. If you're a brown skin, sexy, chocolate man like myself, go to my Instagram page. Look, okay, oh, this is what he wears, this is how he styles it, and just copy it, okay? You guys I can't take time on my schedule to look good or pick a nice outfit, so fine, go ahead, it, look at what somebody else has, and just get that same outfit, guys. But you wanna make sure when you're leaving the house, you look decent. So if you guys wanna start getting that attention, make sure that you're dressed appropriately and you're looking decent every time you leave the house. I'm not saying full suit or designer, but you know, put on some nice clothes that look like they have some value, and you'll be all right, man. And that's tip number 4. Tip number 5, wear nice cologne. And guys, wear cologne for the occasion, okay? If I'm going out on a nice little date night vibe, something that I always do, one of my go-tos, guys, is Prada Black. A lot of women give great reviews on Prada Black. There are different, I have my different colognes that I wear to the gym, but you always want to make sure every time you leave the house, you have a nice fragrance. And this is gonna be, guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna be a magnet. I'm trying to tell you, a magnet, okay?
Shop bag.
We gonna keep this thing G-rated. We gonna keep this channel G-rated. But this all I know is all I'm trying to tell you, they gonna be flocking to you. Don't even just put a little bit behind your neck, or in the front. You feel me? A little bit down here.
What do you mean by that?
On your inner thigh, guys. You'll be good to go. I'm trying to tell you. Listen, cologne is not optional, it's your signature. So you have to find that scent that fits you. So that's tip number 5, guys. Making sure you're wearing an effective cologne for the occasion every single day, man. Tip number 6. This is for all you nasty dudes out there, because some of y'all are just nasty, and y'all need to hear this, okay?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Make sure you shower twice a day, maybe 3 times. Twice a day, guys. You have to work on your hygiene. Girls are really disgusted by your hygiene, okay? Like, you know what? I was in Paris this past year. I remember going to Paris and I remember getting I got a couple of compliments on just like my hygiene. Check out what this one girl had to say. How important is a man's hygiene and how well he grooms himself?
It's very important. It's like a 10 out of 10.
When you take in shower and take care of yourself twice a day, girls are gonna compliment you, girls are gonna notice you. You're gonna just draw a lot of attention. Guys, when I enter in rooms, I'm not trying to be cocky.
Yes, you are.
When I enter in rooms, they say, oh man, this guy takes care of himself. It's not about even being attractive. It's not about anything. It's like, yo, this guy cares about himself. So make sure it's simple things like just taking a shower, guys. Come on, man. You take a shower in the morning, take a shower at night. That's tip number 6, guys. Hey, man, make sure I hit that like and subscribe button. And let's keep going into the last tip. Tip number 7, the last tip of the day, y'all. Best tip, okay? Make sure you work out at least 3 times a week. Yes, I said it. I know you guys are wondering why it is important. Because guys, this shows how serious you are about yourself. If a woman sees a guy, he got a belly, he all out of shape, it shows a lack of self-discipline and a lack of self-worth. If you really value yourself respectfully, I know it's gonna rub some people the wrong way, but if you really value yourself, you're gonna work out, you're gonna take care of yourself, okay? So man, make sure you guys are working out 2 to 3 times. If you're confused and you don't know what to do, man, make sure you click the first link in the description below and book a consultation call with me, as I also do online training. And you can subscribe to my other page, RefinedByChief, guys. That's where I have all of my fitness content, where I work out on a daily basis and I go live. Guys, working out is challenging. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the easiest thing to do in the world, but when you're gonna come out there, you're like, wow, I made it through that, I can make it through anything. So it's gonna be easy for you to attract women, it's gonna be easy for you to approach women. She knows the vibe, you know what I'm saying? She know the vibe, and I'm gonna be real, man. Some of y'all can't pick y'all girls up, and that's why they coming to Chief to pick them up. I'm just being real. So listen, man, make sure y'all tap in, click the link, sign up for the online coaching, you know, just book a call, we'll see if we're a good fit. And that's tip number 7, make sure you're working out 2 to 3 times a day. Woo! Yes, sir. I hope y'all enjoyed the 7 tips on how to stay clean and fresh for the ladies. I'm telling you, if you guys implement those 7 tips, y'all might get some bunions. I'm just going, y'all just might get some bunions, okay? Y'all can stop complaining. But listen, man, let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know what other topics you guys would like me to discuss as I make a bunch of content. This is my new lifestyle page. Yes, I'm not new to YouTube. I have a fitness page as well. So check out my fitness page. But if you're looking for more lifestyle content, then you definitely want to make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And let me know what else you guys want me to discuss about as I enjoy doing this. This is going to be my fun channel. So make sure y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Chief. Stay fly. We out. Yes, sir.